Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. My room
私の部屋
and 2. Phonics Y and Z. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson.
じゃあ DVD レッスンを始めよう。
Next, let's do some actions. First, just watch what I'm doing. Okay, here we go.
さあ行くよ。
Stand up. Bow down. Shake out. Chew through. Blow out. Get behind. Get in front. Sit down. This time, let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. Bow down. Shake out. Chew through. Blow out. Get behind. Get in front. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. Just watch and listen. Y is y. Yo-yo. Y.
まずはじめに口を丸めてタコの口を作ったらうと言います。次に I とあを少し伸ばして言います。続けて言うと
Y.
になります。
Okay, let's try the Y sound together. 1, 2. Y. 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 Very good. Next, Y.
まず悲鳴を上げてみよう。キー。この時、ベロの真ん中は持ち上がっているよね。それから力が入っているよね。そのまま、いとゆをくっつけた音、ゆと言ってみよう。下の顎を少し前にずらしながら言えるかな。
Okay, let's try the Y sound together. 1, 2. Y. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? Y is Y. Yo-yo. Are you ready? 1, 2. Y is Y. Yo-yo. Wonderful. Next is Z. Z is zebra. Z.
まず、上の歯と下の歯をしっかりくっつけて、ずーと言います。次に、口を横に開いて、いーと長く言います。続けて言うと、
Z.
できたかな？
Okay, let's try the Z sound together. 1, 2. Z. 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 Very good. Next, Z.
Z の時に練習した ズの音です。上の歯と下の歯をくっつけて言いましょう。
Okay, let's try the z sound together. 1, 2. Z, z, z. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? Z is z. Zebra. Are you ready? 1, 2. Z is z. Zebra. Wonderful. It's time to sing. The name of the song is Teddy Bear. Just watch us sing. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your foot. Teddy bear, that will do. Did you like this song? Me too. Please listen to this song at home. Goodbye.
お家でもこの歌聞いてね。バイバイ。
It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. It's a chair. It's a table. It's a shelf. It's a light. It's a bed. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? It's a chair. It's a table. It's a shelf. It's a light. It's a bed. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let me show you a new chant. Just watch and listen. Where's the chair? It's behind the table. Where's the table? It's in front of the chair. Where's the light? It's above the DVD player. Where's the floor? It's down there. Where's the ceiling? It's up there. Did that look interesting? Hi, it's book time. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. The title is My Room, written by Gary and Akiko.
本のタイトルは、私の部屋。ギャリー先生とアキコ先生が書いたお話です。
This is my room.
ここは私の部屋。
It's nice.
いいね。
It has a bed.
この部屋にはベッドがあるの。
Where are the books?
本はどこにあるの？
They are in the bookshelf and on the desk.
本は本棚の中と机の上にあるよ。
Do you have a teddy bear?
テディベアを持ってる？
It's behind me.
私の後ろにあるよ。
There it is.
ほら、あるよ。
Your room is very cute.
君の部屋はとってもかわいいね。
The end. Did you like the story? Me too. Goodbye. Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says zebra. Guess who? Are you ready?
Zebra!
Zephyr.
Zipper.
Who said zebra?
I did. I said zebra.
Oh, Carla said zebra. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Max? I said zephyr. Zephyr. I see. How about you, Linda? Linda?
I said zipper. Zipper.
I see. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Hey, how was that? Today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. My room, and 2. Phonics, Y and Z. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.